here we have the new Sony Handycam, the model Nex-VG20 EH, which comes with an interchangeable lens. And in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing and show you all the package details. So here, as you can see, this comes with an 16 megapixel sensor with a progressive recording feature of 25p and 50p, along with the option to change the lens based on your requirements. Also supports with iMovie, and the main reason why we have purchased this one is because the Nikon D7000, using which we are actually recording this unboxing video, is always having some autofocus issues, and we do not want to spend time on manually focusing the videos. So let's just unbox the same and check out the package content. So here, as you can see, we have one software CD, the movie studio license key, and operation guide, a few manuals, and then here we have the actual camcorder. Let me just put this aside and show you the other items. A battery, which actually costs somewhere around $150 if you would like to purchase an extra battery, since I had inquired while purchasing this camera. Set of few wires, for connecting this to an external display and also to your PC. The charging adapter, the lens cap, this is for the top microphone, a remote, so that's it, what all comes in this package. Let us just check out the camera now. So here is the actual camera. So as you can see, it's not like a normal camcorder which is very compact. This is something in the Pro series which comes with higher functions and features. So here, this is the area where you can check out the live preview. This screen moves almost 180 degrees, and then you have the slot to insert the memory card here. You can actually also view using the viewfinder here, the option to insert the battery. You can hold it this way, but I'm not quite comfortable holding it that way because the camcorder is actually quite bulky, and slowly your hand starts moving down because of the weight in the front. That's because of the lens. Apart from that, this comes with a very useful microphone, as you can see in the front. There are even options for expanded focus, a 16 megapixel camera for still captures, options to insert the HDMI cable. This is the HDMI port slot. The other options for inserting few other cables. There is also a quick option to switch on and off here. The option to change the mode from video to still captures. So this was a quick unboxing of this Nex-VG20. In the next series of videos, we will be showing you few demos, few videos recorded with the same, and also give you some more insights on how you could use this camcorder for better videos. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel for more related videos.